The next step is to go back into your leads section and start the gather phase that generates the sales messages in pure automation. Select the full list, one, some, as many as you'd like, up to 50, and then press Generate Sales Message. You can generate sales messages on their most recent post, comment, reaction, or any and all combinations, and then just press Generate Sales Message. And then your sales messages will show up here in Sales Sequence Center. As you can see, we have the sales messages for Shane, Rick, and Dimitri. You can go ahead and see the beauty of it. Really quite a quality message here. Here's the one to Shane. You can see that in whatever Shane was talking about, our AI noticed that there was an open AI engineer role at Marist Bank, and it had mentioned this in an executive voice, knowing how the space works, expertise, and just how critical that role is for Shane. Beautiful formatting, really aligning the Cisco offerings to the IAM role, especially with Cisco's IAM offerings. I think that's key here, the big authenticity at scale impact. Now, once you press Generate Follow-up, it will look like this. You'll have your initial outreach, your first follow-up, your second follow-up, and your third follow-up, so that you have a completely personalized and customized outreach that's ready and personalized at every step to send in a campaign.